Looking to have your child get their best SAT score before it goes digital in 2024, but don't have much time to prep? I'm excited to announce today we're officially launching the Spotlight SAT 1-week crash course, revealing my most effective SAT tips and strategies so that your child can go into their SAT with more confidence and less anxiety. While there are obviously lots of free YouTube videos out there, the sheer number of differing approaches can be overwhelming and confusing. The Spotlight SAT course's structure enables students to focus for 30 to 40 minutes per day, 4 days in a row, and acquire strategies that are direct and coherent so students have a sense of empowerment and certainty regarding how to approach each section of the test. But don't take my word for it. Check out the more than 250 5-star reviews regarding our program. Now, if nothing else, I'd love to at least provide you with some great free, valuable content to help you as you begin your standardized test prep journey. Click here to gain immediate access to Module 1, Reading, for free. In this free module, I share one of our proven Big 3 strategies for the reading section. Let's do this.